Hi dear friends, welcome to An Academy. An Academy present before you our brand new YouTube channel What, Why and How. In this channel, we will be addressing three fundamental questions relating to a fact under study what, why and how. These videos will help you in all your exam preparations and also give you enlighten you on a particular fact. So let's start our video. So, dear friends, today we are going to discuss about the Pattachitra paintings of Orissa. Pattachitra evolved from the Sanskrit word Patta and Chitra. Patta means cloth and Chitra means picture. Hence, Pattachitra is a picture painted on a piece of cloth. This form of art is closely related to the cult of Sri Jagannatha and the temple traditions in Puri, believed to be originated as early as in 12th century. It is one of the most popular living art form. The peoples in Odisha practice it on these days also. Almost all the Chitrakar community hails from a small village in Puri district called Raghurajpur. This is also the only village in India where each family is engaged in this craft, such as Pattachitra painting, wooden toys, stone carving, etc. For Pattachitra painting, the Chitrakars follows a traditional process of preparing a canvas. A gauze like fine cotton cloth is coated with white stone powder and gum made out of tamarind seeds. This makes the canvas ready to accept paints made of natural colors. This makes the canvas ready to accept the paints. These colors are an unique feature of patta paintings. The gum of the kaita tree is the chief agent used as a base for making pigment by adding available raw materials. For instance, to get the shade of white, powdered quench shells are being used. Pattachitra is predominantly iconic painting. Some of the popular themes of this religious art are Vaida, a description of temples of Jagannath. Krishna Leela, it is the enactment of Jagannatha as Lord Krishna displaying the powers as a child. And also it includes the 10 incarnations of Lord Vishnu Panchamukhi, the depiction of Lord Ganesha having five-headed deity. Every year during Dasabhasana Paurnima in Puri Jagannath temple, the deities are believed to take a bath with 108 watt of cold water to fight the heat of summer. Afterwards, the deities supposedly fall sick for a period of 15 days, known as Anasara. Because of the deity's absence from public view, some of the finest Chitrakas are graded to make the three Pattachitra paintings of the three deities, namely Lord Jagannatha, Goddess Subhadra, and Lord Balabhadra, for the public to pay obstinance. These paintings are called Anasar Patti. Just have a look at the Pattachitra painting of Puri Jagannath temple. Just a minute, it has been placed in my background also. You can also see it in the now you can also have a look on it. The base of the painting is treated with cloth, while the colors used come from natural sources, including burned coconut shell, higula, ramaraj, and lamp black. No pencils or charcoals is used. Rather, brush is used to draw the outlines in red or yellow, after which the colors are filled. The background is decorated with foliage and flowers, and the paintings have a work frame. Once the final lines are drawn, the painting is given a coating of lacquer to give it a glossy finish. A floral border is must around the painting, and so is the use of natural colors. These both are the main elements of these Pattachitra paintings. The paintings are executed primarily in profile with elongated eyes, as well with the use of such prominent solid shades. The painting end up depicting stark emotion expressions with great detail. Following completion of a painting, the canvas is held over a charcoal fire and lacquer is applied for the glossy finish. The Pattachitra painting depicts images that are similar to the old mural of the state, especially the one in Puri and Konark. The Pattachitra on palm leaves is known as Thala Pattachitra paintings. The hard dried leaves of palm trees are sewn together as a canvas on which images are drawn using white or black inks. A number of times, superimposing layers are glued together and some areas are left blank so that there are small windows like openings which reveals a second image, and we can feel a layer like layered structure, and it will give a view to the spectator that the painting is painted on a second layer or a layer background of the main layer. Over the years, the art form has evolved and has experienced many changes. The Chitragas have painted on palm leaves and tusar silks and have also created wall hangings and show pieces. Because of the stringent methodology of the art, it still survives with its old glory and beauty. For these fog paintings are internationally known, and it is setting up. Now we can see that the Odisha government itself is setting up more centers to make the local people familiar about this Pattachitra painting. This itself speak about the volume, about its consistency and its popularity. So we can relate Pattachitra painting mainly with the Puri Jagannath temple. In Puri Jagannath temple, the main three presiding deities are Lord Vishnu, Subhadra, and Balabhadra. The main predominant Pattachitra painting is the painting of Jagannatha idol. So that is regarding the Pattachitra painting. I think all of you got a good understanding regarding the Pattachitra paintings of Odisha. So, dear friends, I am handling history in Kerala PC examinations. So, if you are interested in subscribing for Kerala PSC examination, please do subscribe and join Kerala PSC examination. These are all some of examination. For 12 months course it is 7,000 rupees, and for 24 months course it is 8,400 rupees. But when you are taking subscription, if you are using my promo code SIVAKC Shiva KC, you will get 10% discount, and you can able to avoid 12 months course at 6,300 rupees and 24 months course at 7,560. So please subscribe and join Kerala PG examination using my promo code. So before that, let's have a look on the some of the prominent Patachitra paintings. These are some of the predominant Patachitra painting depicting the Krishna Leelas, the different incarnations of Lord Vishnu, and the other main element is the uh, paintings of Puri Jagannath Temple. So thank you very much. Signing off, KC Shivaraj. We can see soon with some other interesting paintings of India. So thank you very much. Bye bye.